Bhavananda says BJP will give ticket to sure success candidates. Prison HIV intervention program launched for the first time in Northeast at Sajua Jail. JSC of Tongbram Suresh warns of intensification if the culprits are not arrested by tonight. Five-day workshop on techniques of paper setting and evaluation begins at GP Women's College. And MSU warns to ban Coca-Cola products in Manipur if dealers do not stop selling expired Coca-Cola products. Hello, welcome. You're watching Impact Primetime News. President of BJP Manipur Pradesh, Khetirmim Bhavananda, has categorically stated that the BJP will give ticket to the candidates who can ensure success in the election. Speaking to media at the BJP office at Nitepa Chutek, he said he has been urging the central leaders to announce the names of the candidates 2 months in advance as the number of party members who are seeking the party ticket is large. Bhavananda said, to avoid problems in choosing the right candidates, BJP Manipur Pradesh will apply the formula adopted by BJP Assam. The BJP Manipur president elaborated that the party is considering to offer political post or other suitable post to party members who will not be given party tickets. He also said BJP National President Amit Shah will be coming to Imphal on the 14th of this month to strengthen the party in connection with the next year's assembly election. Amit Shah will address a public meeting at Hapta Kangjibong. Union Minister of Human Resource Development Prakash Javadekar, National General Secretary Ram Madhav and Ajay Jamwal will also attend the meeting. National General Secretary Ajay Jamwal arrived in Imphal today to attend the meeting of Mandal presidents and district presidents at the party's office at Nitepa Chutek.
Problem si tok na winnability yang aga kaga daw midi yang aga ticket pigani hai bi thaje pibire yang unda ado Assam da su sidagi ana chawna problem thoi hai adu Assam da problem am ta na ticket ama khak tang piraga winnability yang aga kasu loina ma ka khi adu gi same formula adu Manipur da su apply tawraga ticket phanghau da mi sing duna akhoi gi political post kum badeni khangde kari deni khangde ma gi chana badu yang aga moi si loina ma magi adum phangum tokpa kana do loin piraga ticket na kaga do mi de da pigane haibagi chapchaba thajaba se khoi de pirei ticket phanghodabagi ningan ba leiba mi myam de su moi adum pelan na ba tawbagi mong da ticket laukthok pasi aina yare ge kharang na laukthok pina ba haijara me du tha magi matam mamang da songjoi soiduna laukthogani adu aina tha yaraga di tha ani mamang da laukthok piu na aina kana pressure di
Maram Purul Road was repaired by members of Purul Union, Khoide Union, Lepauna Naga Union and other voluntary organizations based in Senapati district along with the villagers. The 19-kilometer road stretch from Maram Bazar in 47 Karong Assembly constituency has remained neglected. Villagers allege that the MLA and other authorities concerned have neglected the road and it has been lying in a deplorable condition. Some individuals extended financial help to the villagers. Locals of Khoide and Purul expressed gratitude to Andhra MLA T.H. Shyamkumar for extending help to the villagers. The MLA has provided a help of Rs 50,000 to the villagers for repairing the road.
Accident thokpa Asiana nangbasi yam toina thokre praja akhoi mayamna pukchel chawba kana gumbada paisa khara khaigat laga Khoide ga Purul Union anina initiate tawraga thabak si pangthokpane lambi se phibam yamna phatrabane na government da memorandum gumba pishin ba have se series of memorandum several occasion da pikre pirabashu khoi positive response haba ma sungphang phangdarbane na jiksu khoi gi grievances ase hairasu government na tabigni haba se khoi thajabadi yam warle adubo mapi mapa ma oina palebani na sarkar da khoi na haining basidi khoi gi lambi sidang de amtang yen chingbio haba se haijaning bane.
Prison HIV intervention program was launched for the first time in Northeast today at Manipur Central Jail, Sajua, by the Secretary and Director General National AIDS Control Organization NACO, Navrit Singh Kang. The program is implemented by Nirvana Foundation in collaboration with MAX and Manipur Central Jail. Speaking at the event, Sovana Sorokaibam, Secretary of Nirvana Foundation, said the intervention aimed at enhancing institutional and human capacity to accelerate HIV/AIDS response. She said among the 506 under trial inmates at Manipur Central Jail, 10 to 33% are from injecting background. She said there are 5 HIV positive inmates who are on ART. The inmates appreciated the intervention program and said an awareness program on hepatitis C should also be launched for them. Navrit Singh said prison HIV intervention program was launched as prison inmates are more vulnerable than the general population. After successful implementation in Punjab, Delhi and UP central jails, the program is launched in Manipur to educate and sensitize not only the inmates but the administration of the jail. He also said these inmates will be made ambassador of the program once they are released from the jail.
One is to educate you about HIV, about what are the precautions about HIV, how it spreads, how it doesn't spread, how to make you yourselves better protected against acquiring HIV infection. That is one of the purposes of this project. Also, the purpose is to sensitize the jail administration and the medical staff within the jail about HIV. So this is one component of this project, making people aware about the way HIV spreads, the way it doesn't spread, how do we make ourselves safe, and how to empower all of you to keep yourselves protected against HIV.
Sensitization workshop was held on drug abuse and HIV to enhance relationship between law enforcement agencies, health officials and NGOs. The workshop was jointly organized by National AIDS Control Organization, NACO, Manipur AIDS Control Society, MAX, Manipur Network of Positive People, MNPP, and FHI 360 at Classic Grande, Chumarong. Speakers at the workshop said India has the third highest number of AIDS cases and HIV-infected people in the world. The northeast region of India has 3% HIV/AIDS cases, with Manipur topping the region. Experts at the workshop said drug abusers need medical attention. The workshop was attended by representatives of NACO, MAX, MNPP, FHI 360, police officials including DGP, health officials and representatives of different NGOs.
You're well aware that HIV can be transmitted both sexually and through unsafe injection practices. And in particular, HIV, as you've heard, can spread very, very rapidly in places where people inject drugs and share needles. This has been a worldwide problem. This is not just a problem of the northeast of India.
The police has been basically very vigilant on this drug issue. The NGOs should interact more frequently with the senior police officers so that we can pass on the information down the line, so that when the NGOs walk at a certain area, at a certain place for their various programs, they get more cooperation from the policeman who is working at the ground level.
JSC against the death of Tongbram Suresh has warned the government of intense hesitation if the culprits responsible for the student's death are not arrested by tonight. Speaking to media persons at Manipur Press Club, JSC convener Haisnam Chandra Kumar said even 11 days after the death of the student, the government is unable to catch the accused. Chandra Kumar said JSC had given a 3-day ultimatum to the government to produce the culprits, but it did not pay any heed. He said the media reports of September 5, in which school managing committee claimed that Tongbram Suresh was not tortured, is baseless. Tongbram Suresh, a class 6 student of a residential kids care school, Langol Zone 2, died on August 27.
Pandamsi Pangnana Paiduna, Numi Humni Matam Pijaki, Adu, Masi, Numi Taraga Matoni, Fazalagle, Masi Pavada. I couldn't Makata, Konjangoina, Jesina Pam the Pamdana, Ban, non cooperation goiba, Konjang Makata, Sanctionba, Horagani, Gomen, Senasu, Atubumatam being Sangbiduna, Suresh Singi, Mihada Citizen Ribe musing, Ain Goiba, Matik Savadandido, Jamnatuna, Pihanami Apamado, Jesi Makadigi, Pondoxen.
Mother of the deceased student Tongbram Pisak Macha said her son was not sent to work in the school. She alleged that the school management told them that Suresh can be taken home only when they pay the school fees, and both these parents will be sent to jail if they fail to clear the fees. She said on August 26, the school authority brought Suresh home and asked them to pay the fees by August 31.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯕꯨ ꯃꯆꯥꯁꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯤꯅꯥꯏ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯝꯃ ꯆꯥꯛ ꯊꯣꯡꯍꯜꯂꯦ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯇꯧꯍꯜꯂꯣ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯁꯨꯕꯩꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯊꯝꯃꯝꯕꯅꯦꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯤꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗꯤ ꯏꯆꯥꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯃꯍꯩ ꯇꯝꯕꯩꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗꯤ ꯁꯤꯟꯅꯖꯕꯅꯦꯕ ꯃꯤꯅꯥꯏ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯗꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯁꯤꯟꯅꯔꯨꯕ ꯅꯠꯇꯦꯕ ꯏꯆꯥꯗ ꯐꯪꯈ꯭ꯔꯤꯕ ꯆꯩꯊꯦꯡꯁꯦ ꯆꯩꯄꯤ ꯆꯩꯁꯦꯡꯁꯦ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡꯗꯨꯗ ꯐꯪꯍꯟꯕꯤꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯍꯟꯕꯤꯌꯨ.
Publicity Secretary of Socialist Students Union Manipur, Naurem Tanoranjan, said Residential Kids Care School Authority is responsible for the death of Tongram Suresh. Addressing media persons at Manipur Press Club, Tanoranjan said it is unfortunate that the government is unable to take action against the accused. He said if the accused are not booked at the earliest and the autopsy report are made public by the authority concerned, they will agitate in collaboration with the various organizations.
Mathong marang khangda mongda makhogi marang kopsanaba mioi khune kharana makhoi mara leiti haibagi wafam nomda puthorpa chi tasena Socialist Union Manipurna tarayna lobanga moi makhoi mara lei habje tasena miyamna amadi lubasina khangi maramdana mara lei basindi miyam khana chera pigadamni kadimba Manipur government amadi amari lena authority singna makhoi bo chera pidaba taragadi miyam haibadi mahire khunai Socialist Union Manipur galona miyam amadi mahire khunai ga pulap punsilaga akanba khungan kya changsilakna haibaja Manipur government amadi mani lena authority singna thamjari.
The Assam in a press release appreciated the passing of the Dhanamanjuri University Bill 2015, the Technical University Bill 2016, the Manipur State Higher Education Council Bill 2016 in the Assembly yesterday. President of Rongmei Lu Phuam, ANM Penti Gonmei, has urged the people to unite against the violence committed by the security forces under the Armed Forces Special Powers Act (AFSPA) in Manipur. A press meet was held today in connection with the arrest of 2 villagers and violence against the women of Sibilong in Tausem subdivision by a combined team of security forces led by 23rd Assam Rifles on the first day of this month. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club, Penti Golmai told the media persons that following the snatching of arms by an underground outfit from the security personnel on August 29, the combined team had been conducting search operation from August 30 to September 1 in Sibilong village. She alleged that the team arrested 2 farmers on September 1 around 7 p.m. When the women of the village demanded their release from Nungba police station, the combined team not only assaulted the women but molested them. She alleged that 22 persons were injured in the incident and brought to the nearby hospital. Penti Gonmai demanded action against those police personnel who assaulted the women and compensation for the injured persons. She said an ultimatum was submitted to all concerned, including the Deputy Chief Minister, on the 4th of this month to look into the incident. She also threatened to launch agitation if the government fails to respond by the 10th of this month. Representatives of Tongmei Naga Council Manipur, Rongmei Naga Youth Organization Manipur and Rongmei Students Organization Manipur also took part in the press meet.
Relevant organization Sangstan NGO Pomba Lep Katlaga Asigamba Sibai Minai Nupibu Maru Oina respect of the bar Handaki Minai si Nupibu mi Natabugumna Sanga Gemong da Koina Toning Toning Bayabugumna Makois molest away have the Hemandra Bani Masada Tabaka Kamba Zaga Miamlay Nupibu teen or Papritibi putting Mount of Zixi Nupibu Gramina Wang Tangakini High Basera Sida Nupibu Zitam Tina Sanga Gomna Trito Base Britibi Pumna Magna Haxin the Logan Women Commission Busu Comina Labigano.
A 5-day workshop on techniques of paper setting and evaluation began today at GP Women's College. The workshop is organized by Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur in collaboration with the National Council of Educational Research and Training NCRT, New Delhi. Education Minister Dr. K.H. Ratan Kumar also attended the inaugural function. In a technical session, resource persons from NCRT spoke on National Curriculum Framework, student assessment in public examination, forms of question and development of quality question. The first day of the workshop was attended by teachers of both government and private higher secondary schools in Manipur.
Manipurgi akoi sathari basina akoi khar li ba hai tare hana koi sum khangi ba prakha ma lauraga mark pi ba aduga angang sing da road learning hai na parasi ma phara gadi hore irurani hai gi poch da sum sathara ga leiri hoji phau si adu hoji laiba national curriculum framework ki 2005 ki kano sigi makha da di hangi ba question ja sina angang sing da matom da wakan khanjaraga khumba ngamanna gi adugumba question mayam si thangada bani hai gi emphasis piri ba masagi knowledge create जरगा परखा इबंग अमुकपगी पोची लागदी कोई सोइदन नेशनल लेवल दा अखोई कम्पीट तवदा या अदुम नोट ना थोए नाई थमजनिंगे
All Manipur Students Union has warned to ban all Coca-Cola products in the state if the dealers of the Coca-Cola company and other persons who were involved in selling expired bottles of Coca-Cola by tampering information fail to surrender to the union by September 15. Speaking at a press meet at the union's office situated on DM College campus today, AMSU's Secretary General Sarangthem Manjit said the union caught one Bikram from Kasar, now living at Rims Road, while tampering the dates on the Coca-Cola products. He said SK Enterprises, SB Enterprises and Sunil Enterprises, all dealers of Coca-Cola in the state, engaged him in tampering the expiry dates, and these products are sold to local retailers. Manjit alleged that all the people involved are roaming free, even though the union had informed the authorities concerned about the same.
Weight and Measure Department, Hazina Legal Metrology Department, Hana Kanariba Department, Asina, Haiba, Dukandara, the Food Safety and Standard Act 2006 Kimatungina, Fine Oina, Pa, Shinkuntian Molona, Chahini, Howard Jella Tambaya, Bagadumba, Egasi Makada, the Porto River, Mu, and Traga Dukandara, do Mosifa, Pagata was Siama, Levactivity, Marina, Temperto, Janariba, SK Enterprises, Sunil Enterprises, Amadi SB Enterprises, Lunana Manufacturing, that Temperto, Gimariba, Achoba Menron, Accusoriba, Bikram, Marina Mu, Maria Sina, Amsuda, Okalta, Minanaba, Tang Tanaga, Mangaba, Gimanung, the Lakanda, Sendokpio, the Laktagadi, Tang Taraga, Tarukagi, Manipulaiba, Coca-Cola Company Nasaba, Production, Amsuna, Tinjanaba, Laura.
6-day orientation program cum induction training on special training for education volunteers, teachers and chairpersons of SMCs began at Sangit Kala Sangam Hall, Lamlong. The program is organized by District Project Office SSA Imphal East. Special Training and Planning SSA SMA State Coordinator L. Chandrakumar said the program aims to provide education to the children who could not attend school. He said those children who could not attend school due to absence of schools are given education under Education Guarantee System, while those who did not attend school due to some problems are given bridge course.
RTA ke chanaba hawudagina chahi ani bogi manungda masagi EGS singse loina close tawro aduga mawanda eligible loiba EGS tagi school onthokpa yaba mafam singdubuna school loina onthokpi gro ha regular school loina admai tawdana scheme gi magi action atma hairak padagi akoina manipur da matamda chawrangna EGS center se manipur pumbagi oina 717 gumba lerame adugi manungda akoina so 554 gumba pai update tawre.
Secretary of Kaisamthong Hodam Layak Club, Takelambam Gyanan, has termed the trouble during the distribution of rice under National Food Security Act at the club yesterday as unfortunate. Speaking to media today at the club, Gyanan said it was for the first time that rice was distributed yesterday at Ward number 11, Kaisamthong. He said the agents distributed the rice at the club as they thought it was the convenient location. He said the rice was meant for the month of April and appealed to people not to create problems by complaining that they have not received the quota. The 35th National Nutrition Week was observed at Library and Information Center, Kaching. Child Development Project Officer Kaching, Manipur Government, along with Community Food and Nutrition Extension Unit, Ministry of Women and Child Development, Chingamathak Imphal, organized the observance as part of the nationwide observance. Anganwadi workers and helpers under CDPO, ICDS, Kaching, girls, pregnant women and locals took part in the observance. Now it's time for a short break. We'll be back soon. Keep watching Impact News.
Lengsin birau Thangmaiban DM College Road Telaiba Eastern Suzuki da Fangbiragani Suzuki ki gari macha sing makhal suna Mafam sida Suzuki da train tarba mechanic singna ningthina service piriba servicing center ki khudong chaba amasung spare parts sing MRP rate ta fangbigani loinana irai laina loan loba yabagi khudong chaba su pizari ngasi maglengsin birau Eastern Suzuki Thangmaiban DM College Road Imphal Manipur.
Welcome back. Motor Vehicle Department continued its drive against riders of two-wheelers who do not wear helmets even after it was made mandatory. Many two-wheeler riders without helmets were caught near the Kangla Gate and made to pay fines. The drive was conducted by the Motor Vehicle Department along with Traffic Police. The department has been conducting drive from September 4 in Imphal. RIMS Hospital and Dental College, RIMS, will remain opened on the second Saturday, September 10. RIMS Authority has asked the staff to attend their duties on the day. 11 Assam Rifles of 26th Sector Assam Rifles conducted a lecture on tobacco awareness at Moray on September 3rd to create awareness about the ill effects of tobacco products and various diseases emanating from its use. 12 Assam Rifles of 26th Sector Assam Rifles conducted a lecture on basic first aid at Sita village in Chandal on September 4. The aim of the lecture was to impart training on how to provide first aid to victims of fire accidents, snake bites and severely wounded persons. KCP Puire Mete has accused the Jennings Director and Health Commissioner of purchasing two dry Pro Sigma single tray model Konica Minolta dry laser imager with issuing tender notice. Publicity Secretary of the underground outfit Malimganba in a press release alleged that the purchase, which cost Rs 12,18,000, was done without consulting the High Power Tender Committee or Purchase Committee. The press release also alleged that a doctor who happens to be a relative of the Jennings Director has been appointed medical superintendent of the institute. It said High Power Tender Committee or Purchase Committee to be headed by Principal Secretary Finance and Health Commissioner and Jennings Director as members should discuss and finalize the purchase of if the cost is large. The release also alleged that the two Konica Minolta dry laser imager which were bought without the knowledge of head of department concerned on May 12 this year are of poor quality. The head of department made a complaint to Jennings Teachers Association in May. The principal, staff and students of Manipur Public School, Koirangai, have congratulated Thokchom Surjit Singh, a teacher of the school, on being selected for CBSE Award to Teachers for this year 2015. Merahau Chongba will be celebrated on October 16 and Merahau Chongba Thausil Luk will hold a meeting on September 11 at 11 a.m. at Uttara Shanglen, Sanakonung. Merahau Chongba Thausil Luk has appealed to the people to attend the meeting. Popular documentary filmmaker Haubam Pavan Kumar's first feature film, Loktak Lairembi, Lady of Lek, has been shortlisted to be screened at the 21st Busan International Film Festival, which is Asia's biggest film festival at Hyundai-gu, South Korea, from October 6 to 15. Pavan Kumar's film is the first ever Manipuri film to be shortlisted at this world premiere. The film is based on Naroibam Sudhir's short story Nongmai Gun. It will compete with films from other countries in main competition section, New Asian Current at the Busan International Film Festival. Speaking at a press meet held at MFDS on Palace Compound, Haubam Pavan Kumar said it took almost 5 years for him to materialize his dream to make this film, though it took a year and a half to complete the film. He also said many characters in film are actually fishermen from Loktak and he had to use imported equipment to make the film presentable in the international arena. The IPR director and film critic K. Megachandra Kongbam was among those who attended the press meet.
Independent cinema di tawba the पैसासु म हंजन दया पोंते दगी केनोसु तौते अपन मथंग आई पाखली से सिगी पैसा खरा बुदी इन्वेस्ट तौगरे सिगी पैसा से रोटेशन तौरगने ओके खरा ngam दोइसे फिल्म नंबर ngam दोइसे अमु हंजन बमदि चंगी तुंगबै वाना तब मथंग सुमुक तौबगी अदुगी पाखत पदि खरा लै अदुगा दाउ फदना हाय तारे फिल्म खलक पसि सिमुंग नुंगाय बुदी लैत्र नाउ कंपटीशन दगा यावरगदि अदुगी चांस खरादि लैबा अदु सुयमना नुंगायजे.
Singers and musicians from India and Bangladesh will pay a special tribute to the doyen of Assam music, Bhupen Hazarika, at an event in London this month. The special concert on September 16 is being organized by social organization Friends of Assam and Seven Sisters in collaboration with Nehru Center Cultural Wing of Indian High Commission as part of the 90th birthday anniversary of the Bard of Brahmaputra, whose voice fell silent on November 5, 2011. The event will be chaired by Virender Paul, Deputy High Commissioner of India, while Khorekar M. Talha, Acting High Commissioner of Bangladesh, is expected to be the guest of honor. Manipuri archer Paunam Lily Chanu will take part in the World Cup Archery Individual Compound Final to be held in Denmark. Lily is the first Indian archer to participate in this event. Lily started her career in archery as an Indian round archer in the year 2003 and moved on to a compound division archer in the year 2007. She bagged bronze at the compound team event held at Shanghai in 2012 and a gold in the compound mixed event at Chinese Taipei in 2013. She also bagged bronze in the third Archery World Cup Championship team event in 2014 and set a new Asian record at the Grand Prix Archery Championship in Bangkok the same year. Lily, who recently took part in the 17 Asian Games, is also set for a major face-off with 8 top archers from different countries in the event that would be held in Denmark from September 24 to 25.
Aina sana compound ka pa horok padigidi ai compound leibase ngamjarakte akhui mana akhui gi pencil book to bandok thamaga leire ade aina samaina performance ka pijarak padigidi sai ju khulai thadare hujidi khulai gi problem leitare aina ama akhui gi Manipur government da haijaning isina akhui gi national game da medal se am value ina thame national game medalist kangu thabol pibi adu international game medal se moine value pibi da adu khra nongai jade.
The people of Lamding Cherapur in Thobal district extended their wishes and blessings to footballer Sorokhaibam Robert at a felicitation held at Social Welfare Club yesterday. Robert is among the 15 young Manipuri players who have been selected for 6-year training in Germany by Tata Trust and U Sports. That's all we have for the time being, but before we wind this session of the bulletin, let's have a look at the headlines once again. Bhavananda says BJP will give ticket to sure success candidates. Prison HIV intervention program launched for the first time in Northeast at Sajiwa Jail. JAC of Tombram Suresh warns of intense agitation if the culprits are not arrested by tonight. Five-day workshop on techniques of paper slating and evaluation begins at GP Women's College. And EMSU warns to ban Coca-Cola products in Manipur if dealers do not stop selling expired Coca-Cola products.